Hello, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. It's going to be lashes, as you probably saw in the thumbnail. BS Mall reached out to me and asked me to do a review on some cluster lashes, and I am a makeup addict and I love lashes, anything makeup, and yeah, I love lashes. I use them all the time. So I'm gonna do just a really quick little demonstration on how I do the cluster lashes, just kind of show you what their kit looks like. So their kit came with, it's got a mirror, thank goodness. It's like a magnifying one so you can see it a lot better than just a regular mirror. It comes with a bunch of little clusters of lashes, and then it comes with the lash glue, and it goes on kind of a whitish color. Anyways, it dries clear. So I wanted to show you how I do these and just to show you a fun little brand. So this video is sponsored by BS Mall Lashes. They're actually a company. They've got makeup brushes, the lashes. They have a few things on their website, as long as, or not, I shouldn't say as long as, but as well as Amazon. So this one, I believe, is from Amazon. And so yeah, I'm going to just show you what I do. Along with that, it came with the little tweezers. Super simple to use. So the clusters can last anywhere from 4 to 6 days, maybe longer, depending on how you take care of them, how you remove your makeup. The steam, you want to keep oil away from your lashes unless you want your lashes to come off sooner. And with that being said, I myself, and I think everybody should probably do it, but I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not about to go there. But you want to do like a 24-hour patch test to see if there's any allergies, if you have a reaction to any of the products. Just, that way you're not having a whole thing of lashes on and all of a sudden you realize ooh, there's an allergic reaction. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get these separated. I'll show you really quick though. So these go from, there's a 9, 10, so it's millimeter. So it's, yeah, millimeter, almost said something else. Anyways, so it's 9, 10, 11, 11 and a half, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And they are, I don't know, I like them. They're comfortable. I'm not having any issues. I haven't had any issues. I've done the test and everything, like I said, with the glue to see how the adhesion is. I think it works for me. So anyways, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what I do. I'm just going to get these separated real quick and then I will apply them. All right, so I have them out, and the way I do it is, I don't even know if you can see that. They come out like this. They're little clusters. There's that little band, and I hold it up like this, and then I attach it like so. Everybody has a different way of doing it. There's a number of different techniques. There's different products. There's a bunch of different stuff that you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this. This is the glue, and I go right down to the root of my eyelashes. I don't go on the waterline, and I definitely don't go inside my eye. I don't want to go, or on my eye, I should say, not in my eye. That's kind of sick. So anyways, I'm going to go just at the very, very base and up a little bit so that those lashes have something to adhere to. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my fancy dancy mirror. Okay, I'm going to have to put my head down for this for a second because I cannot do this, what do you call that, with one hand, because I got to lift my eyelid. Okay, give me just a second here. And then I'm gonna do it in sections. I'm just gonna do a little area on just the corner of my eye is where I start. Like I said, everybody has a different technique. This is just how I do it. Okay, so I'm just going to go up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to grab my lashes. So there are the lashes, okay? And I'm going to go right up into that corner. Maybe I'm taking too long. It's really not this difficult, I promise. Okay, hold on. I'm going to put a little bit more of the glue. Okay. Let me get these on right. Okay. So again, I start up in the corner. Some people start in the center and some people will start on the other side. And it's whatever works for them. Okay. I have to hold this back a little bit. Hold on. It's kind of like I said earlier in one of my other videos. It's just like things go great until you go to tape, videotape, and then everything just kind of goes awry. Because these are not difficult to put on, I promise you. I've already done one eye. So it's just right up in the corner. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you are. I don't want to get too close because, yeah. Okay. So when I put them on, I also overlap them, so to speak, because I've noticed sometimes when I put them on, or I should say before when I would do it, I'd end up with little bit like gaps, and you don't want that. So it doesn't look natural. So I'm just pushing it up in there. Like I said, I'm doing it in sections. So I'm gonna put a little bit more glue because I'm willing to bet that that one's already dry, that I did. So again, just dim at the root, okay? And a little bit up on the lashes so that they have something to adhere to. This is just how I do it. I'm not telling you this is how you do it. This is not a tutorial. Okay, so that was a size 17 that I put on. Okay, this is gonna be, I believe, the 16. So I'm just gonna come in under there and layer it. Just overlap it a little bit, not a whole lot. Just like so. Nope. No, no, no. All right. So here's a little tip I've learned along the way. If the tweezers get sticky because they've got the adhesive stuff on them, they're easy to clean off if you use rubbing alcohol. I've also used my my Garnier. This is what I use to remove my eye makeup. I love it. Okay. Tell you what. Silly. Cannot. Okay. Try this again. That may have dried already. Okay. So I've just kind of overlapped a little bit. Put some more adhesive. I don't know. Eyelash glue. I like it because it's clear. Ironically, I always use black, but this may change my ways. All right, so let's see here. Okay. Finally, they're going on nicely. They went on earlier without any issues, but here we are videotaping, so it's going to make it look more difficult. Okay. Let's get up in those little lashes. I do like the clusters, especially if you have more time. The strips, I do the strips as well, and they are, for me, they're just a little quicker because the clusters, they just take a few more minutes, which is no big deal if you've got the time. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna fight with these. Okay. Try this again. Murphy's Law. Make everything difficult. They're really not that hard, I promise. And they're very pretty. Once they're on, yeah. Oh my goodness. For the love of Pete, go on. Okay. Okay, these are on. I feel like it's been 30 minutes. They're not that difficult, and they work really well. So I do like them. I do use them. So with that being said, and I don't know how many minutes are we? Oh, 13, that's not bad. Feels like a half hour. I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this video, but I wanna thank the BS Mall company for sending these to me because I love lashes. Love, love, love lashes. And these really they work, and they're adhesive. This is clear, like I said, works great, and they really are easy to put on. I know I wasn't the prime example of how to do that, but anyways, with that being said, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will be back again with another one. Cheers.